Come in. Grab a seat. Alright, how's it going? My name's Lawrence, I'll be a physio. How can I help you today? My mate says they needed surgery because they had end-stage tendinopathy. What's the difference between early stage and end stage? So tendinopathy is a spectrum. You can get early stage, you can get late stage. Okay, early stage, it's alright. There's nothing major to worry about. Need a tissue box. So, this is the tendon, okay? So every time you're contracting the muscle, you're getting movement through the tendon, okay? If you start to get breakdown, you're pretty much putting little tears into the tendon. So every time you're moving, it's going to stretch those tears a little bit, okay? Early stages, you're pretty much just stitching those back up, you're good to go again, okay? But if the breakdown continues, you'll continue to tear and tear and tear to the point where you start to get major issues. So, late stage tendinopathy, you'll see the tendon pretty much breaking down to the point where it starts to become so inflamed and more mushy and gross and everything, okay? So you don't want to get to this stage. Usually your body will give you signs that you're starting to get tendinopathy, and this is when you start to do certain exercises and certain treatment modalities to just get you back into that recovery phase.